In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your Google Slides presentation using Loom. This process is particularly handy if you're looking to elevate your presentations, share them with a wider audience, or simply want to keep a recording for future reference. I'll guide you through setting up Loom, recording your presentation, and ensuring the process runs without a hitch. First things first, let's ensure you have the Loom extension installed in your Chrome browser. Alternatively, you can opt for the desktop app if that's more your speed. The Chrome extension offers convenience for many users, making it a popular choice for quick and easy access. Next, you'll want to open your Google Slides deck in Chrome. This might sound simple, but it's crucial to have your presentation ready to go so you can seamlessly jump into recording. Once your Google Slides deck is open, take a moment to make sure everything is in order, from the visuals to any notes you might need. Now look for the Loom icon in your browser. It should be up there in the upper right corner. Click on it, and you'll be presented with some options on how you want to record. You can choose between Screen plus Camera, if you'd like a little window featuring you as you present, or opt for Screen Only, if you prefer to keep the focus solely on the slides. The next step is to set Loom to record your full screen. This ensures that everything you have lined up to show to your audience is captured. Once you've got everything configured the way you like it, click Start Recording. Before you jump into full presentation mode, be sure to switch your slides to slideshow or present mode. This will allow the slides to display in full screen mode, providing a clean, professional look to your recording. As you progress through your slides, feel free to present as you normally would. The beauty of Loom is that it will capture your entire presentation with any animations you've included subtly and effectively playing out just as you designed them to, maintaining the dynamics of your presentation. When you're satisfied and have wrapped up your presentation, it's time to stop the recording. Head back to the Loom control and click to end the session. Loom takes it from here, processing your video automatically so you don't have to worry about a thing. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded your Google Slides presentation using Loom. This method not only captures your slides, but also the essence of your delivery, ensuring you leave a lasting impression every time. Whether you're sharing it with colleagues, clients, or saving it for later use, Loom makes the process smooth and efficient,